Hello, dear student. Today we will take up chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Software and its Types. In this chapter, we will learn about computer software and its type, system software like operating system and its functions, language processor, utility software, application software like general purpose application software, word processing software, graphic software, multimedia software, and also we will discuss about special purpose application software. Student, do you know what is software? Software are the instructions that tell a computer what to do. We all react differently according to the situation. Have you ever thought how it's become possible? Let us understand this with the help of an example. What happens when your teacher asks a question and you know its answer? You simply raise your hand, isn't it? What prompted you to raise the hand? It's your brain that gives you the instruction to react in this manner. Similarly, a computer gets all the instruction from the software to perform various tasks. So, software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on a computer hardware and help user to work on computer. Software is that part of the computer which cannot be touched or seen. Software is of two types, system software and application software. Now let's talk about system software. System software is defined as a collection of programs that control the overall operation and internal working of computer system. System software is of three main types: operating system, language processor, and utility software. Operating system is needed to operate a computer. An operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as link between the user and the hardware and enable them to work together. For example, like principal of your school, as the principal has various responsibility to manage the school, like supervising student, teachers and workers, maintaining discipline. In the same manner, an operating system performs various functions to manage the working of computer. Imagine what will happen if there is no principal in the school. Everything will be mismanaged. Similarly, if the operating system of a computer not working properly, then you cannot work on it. There are various functions of operating system. The main function of operating system are device management. An operating system control the working of input and output devices. It is also feeds the memory then it is not in use. Run software. Application software like Paint program, MS Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. An operating system runs the application software. Processor management. An operating system manages the working of the processor by allocating various jobs to it. File management. An operating system keeps the track of information regarding creation, deletion, transfer copy, storage of file is an organized way. Security. It provides security by means of password to prevent misuse of computer. Language processor is a software program designed or used to perform tasks such as processing program code to machine code. Language processor play a vital role in translating the programming language into machine language. Utility software assists in the smooth functioning of computer system and help it to perform better. Some utility help you to avoid virus attack, to take backup of data, to recover data that has been accidentally erased and so on. These include antivirus, backup, disk repair, file management, security and network program. Antivirus utility provide protection to our computer against virus attack. Examples: Avast, AVG, Norton are the example of antivirus software. Backup is a process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. Occasionally, a hard disk may fail, resulting in the loss of all the files stored in it. Hence, an intelligent user keep his file on backup storage device so that the original file can be restored at the time of such failures. Example: CD, flash drives, etc. Student, do you know what is the use of compression? Compression is used to shrink files so that less disk space is occupied. The files that are bigger in size needed to be compressed while sending as an email attachment. These files cannot be read directly and must be decompressed to their actual form before use. Example: WinZip, PKZip, 7zip, etc.